Well, here it is, guys. We're back in Washington after participating in United by Bronco. We got a phone call from Bronco Man 6's wife, and he's been MIA since we were down in United by Bronco, and we're just here to check on our friend. Nobody really seen him, but we're at his shop. I know where he's got to be in here. Let's go see what's going on with our friend Bronco Man 6. Oh no, it's worse than I thought. Bronco Man 6, what's going on? Nobody's talked to you since United by Bronco.
The chute.
Yeah, wasn't that sweet?
No.
The chute was awesome.
No.
No?
I didn't get to do the chute.
Well, yeah, we broke the Bronco. But we got parts, we should fix it. And we'll go back to the chute, Sand Hollow.
The chute.
Let's fix your Bronco and go back to it. Pinky promise. That's right, guys. We are back at Bronco Man 6's shop today to fix the wild pony, because we were down at United by Bronco and we broke it. You've seen us replace the CV shaft, and that didn't solve our problems. We got an ABS light on. We got to figure out that. But then our friends at Trail Militia told us, hey, you know, the part you probably broke was the intermediate shaft, which goes from the passenger side CV into the actual diff. So before we even left United, boom, we ordered this so we could have it for today. We got to get four-wheel drive back. We live in snowy weather. You can't be in a two-wheel drive Bronco in snowy weather. It doesn't make sense. So we're going to pull out the front drive unit out of a Bronco today, and we're going to see if we can repair it and or make it worse. We don't know, but we'll take you along for the ride. Let's get this thing up in the air. We're going to take apart both sides. We're just going to act like we know what we're doing. That's our plan.
Jack it up. I don't know how I know what I'm doing.
Ho, ho, ho. Brand new. We got the CV shaft for the driver's side new. What you don't know is on the passenger side, we ended up breaking a CV shaft there. Man, I could, get your rip on. We broke the CV shaft on the passenger side not too long ago. So we wanted to replace the driver's side with another new one. Hey, Trail Militia, thanks for hooking us up while we were at United by Bronco with your used CV shaft. We're gonna keep that as spare parts, but we just want to make sure that we had both brand new to maybe prevent next time breakage. So we're gonna replace this guy on the driver's side while we're at it.
The chute.
The chute. We're going back to the chute. You know, holy shoot, we're going to the chute.
The chute. The chute.
The chute. We're going back.
The chute.
But if we weren't breaking your Bronco, I wouldn't have content. Just glad we're really good friends after 6 months. Believe it or not, I sent you an email.
Walking on air.
Bring back bring back four-wheel drive to me. To me.
Broke back, United by Bronco.
Broke by Bronco? Didn't somebody say that?
Okay.
It's fine. Oh yeah, that's good enough. Good. Shoot. So we got both steering knuckles off, both CV shafts. Constant velocity shaft. Bet you didn't know that. That's what it means. Now we're gonna try to get that center section like tube thing out, and we'll put it on the bench and talk about it. So we're just finding out. that in.
I don't want to break them. So
You have a ratchet by your head right there. We could.
yeah, this is way too big. Let's.
It's like there's torque specs on this. I don't know why there would be. Shoot! Are you tightening it? No. What? Cramping. You cramping? Ouch!
Let me try.
Story of my life. Right there, right there. Here's the thing. I think Ford put some more bolts in our way than we realized. Literally.
Shoot. Oh, whoa.
Hold on.
Wire?
Yeah.
Nope. Breather too.
Oh, breather.
Right there, big man. Let me get out of your shop. Go for it.
Well, so we just, make things harder than it needs to be around here. So we just take out the whole front drive unit. So that way we can show you guys. There it is. So we're hoping to see broken parts in here. Because if not, I don't know if we're ever going back to the chute. Oh. We're going back to the chute. There it is. That shouldn't be like that. It should be like this. So now we get the fun of figuring out how to get the other chunk out of there. The good news is though, oh no. We're gonna be fine, Bronco Man 6. Help is on the way. So see, if you look nice in there, you can see all the broken stuff. When the good news is it's broke, we can fix it, I think. I hope. I don't know what I'm saying at this point. Yep. Carne asada.
Straight up on that, it'd be appreciated.
What do you think this thing does?
It turns.
Turns what?
Yeah, it just turns.
I think it just is designed to break.
Well, it broke.
Shoot.
Yeah, that's your electric locker.
Huh?
That's your locker.
Yeah. So, look at all that metallic-y. This is exactly why you've got to get the case open and get all this cleaned out of there. Because even if you just pop in a new shaft, right, Bronco Man 6, all this is still going to be in there. It'll just torch everything.
Look at the metal.
Oh. In my opinion, we're doing the right thing by rebuilding this. Look at that. What's that? Oh, remember when you said don't break that? So next time on Bronco Ventures, you're going to see the Wild Pony return. That front drive unit, we found where it broke, that intermediate shaft, but you got to get all the bearing material out of there. So we're going to send that to somebody that knows what they're doing there because we're not certified. But for now, we're just gonna leave the pony to rest. We'll get back to it. We'll see you next time.
Shoot.
Bronco Adventures.